Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. Today I am working in this part sun shade location and I am going to plant foxgloves and clary sage in that basket. Come along. So I got these for a good price over at Kawara's nursery. Let me show you the bed that it's going in. I've got dogwoods, autumn joy sedums, daylilies, iris. So this section right here gets a little more sun. And then because of this apricot tree above it, it gets a lot more shade over here. So the coleus have thrived. And then I have brennera and hostas over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant it more in the sun to part shade area over here. So probably more like maybe back there a little more. So this foxglove was $3 for a gallon plant, or half a gallon or whatever. Digitalis Camelot White. And I think that would be really pretty over by those hostas. And then the clary sage is new to me, but it's one of those blue purple flowers. So I'm going to dot that in this bed. And I better hurry because it's starting to rain again. And I'm sure the mountains are getting snow. We are winding down, maybe 2 weeks left, maybe a month. I think we're going to get our frost and kill the majority of the nice things that like the heat. But then the roses will still shine, the asters will. There's quite a few things that'll still make it even after the frost. So hopefully we have a pretty October and November. But things like tomatoes and dahlias and zinnias and cosmos and marigolds, coleus, peppers, things like that are done. It's sad. I don't like it. Let's go get this done. The foxglove is in and it has white blooms, which is going to look amazing with the dogwood. And these hostas over here. I'm going to do coleus cuttings in a little bit. Get those inside. Okay, let's make some spots for the clary sage. You don't need that stupid tree leaf there. Oh, look at this one. Better get that out of there before it has a permanent home. It's a good thing I'm getting these out. When they get to any bigger than this, they're too hard to pull. So I think this is an elm, kind of a yucky tree. Planting in cold weather is not as much fun because your fingers are freezing. Okay, let me find some holes to put the clary sage in. Just going to dot it around. And then hopefully we get some beautiful blue blooms off of these come next season. 3 more. That one right there. Oh, it's tipping over. These were clearance plants, so I got them really cheap. I think I'll put another one right there or there. So I changed my mind and dotted them back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of putting them up there where I have quite a bit of plants already. These dogwoods are taking years to fill in. Yeah, one day they might get big. And then these can be used for dahlias. Dahlia cuttings inside. So that was just a really quick project before it got even colder out here. And keep following along. Bye.